Today, let's have a reading practice using basic sentences. Are you ready? This is a towel. Let's read it again. This is a towel. This is a book. Let's read it again. This is a book. This is a chair. Let's read it again. This is a chair. This is a cabinet. Let's read it again. This is a cabinet. This is a cap. Let's read it again. This is a cap. This is a boot. Let's read it again. This is a boot. This is a car. Let's read it again. This is a car. This is a vase. Let's read it again. This is a vase. This is a table. Let's read it again. This is a table. This is a clock. Let's read it again. This is a clock. This is a bed. Let's read it again. This is a bed. This is a plate. Let's read it again. This is a plate. This is a car. Let's read it again. This is a car. This is a clock. Let's read it again. This is a clock. This is a ball. Let's read it again. This is a ball. This is a mug. Let's read it again. This is a mug. This is an oven. Let's read it again. This is an oven. This is a kettle. Let's read it again. This is a kettle. This is a motorcycle. Let's read it again. This is a motorcycle. This is a bag. Let's read this again. This is a bag. This is an iron. Let's read it again. This is an iron. This is a gift. Let's read it again. This is a gift. This is a bed. Let's read it again. This is a bed. This is a printer. Let's read it again. This is a printer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.